by the end of this financial year, where are you expecting both WPI and CPI to be at? Have you recalibrated your forecast in the last couple of months?
Yeah, we did. I mean, earlier we were expecting 5.3% inflation, which we in WPI, which we notched up to 6.2% because of the sharp depreciation of the currency. And food, I am actually not too much worried about at this juncture because I think eventually with the Rabi crop is expected to be much better than the Kharif. So once these things start pouring into the market, we will see softening of food prices. I think the more worry is on the fuel front, where I think there's a lot of correction which is yet to happen. So I think I would see, I think, a high interest rate scenario continuing for some more time.
So 25 basis points this time around, and maybe another round before the end of this financial year. Is that the expectation?
Yeah, I think that is a possibility now. Because I think apart from the inflation going up, the expectations remain elevated, and I think the central bank, apart from addressing the demand pressure or on the inflation, I think also tries to address inflationary expectations, which are currently high because the supply shocks have been pretty persistent in nature over the last couple of years, not just now. So I think to tame them down, I think the central bank will have to keep the interest rates elevated.
So is it just going to be with the repo rate, or are you expecting the new governor and the RBI to tinker around with any other tools that they may have at their disposal at this point of time?
Well, I think repo rate will be increased, but some of the measures that were taken to correct the sharp depreciation of the currency, like the MSF, I think there in the MSF we expect some further easing, so maybe 25 basis point cut in the MSF rate. So that will infuse some more liquidity into the economy. But I think the overall signal from the monetary policy would be that they are not lowering the guard on inflation despite growth being so anemic.